Hey everyone, today I have a super fun DIY t-shirt idea. For today's project, you're gonna need a t-shirt, an embroidered hoop, embroidery thread and a needle, scissors and a pencil. Right now, what I want to go through is show you how to create a project and embellish with your own hand embroidery and knitting skills. Instead of using embroidery floss, I'm using craft thread or pearl cotton thread. Subscribe to HandiWorks and press the bell icon to get notification for new videos. Try to keep your stitches even and not too tight. Practice makes perfect, and with tutorials this easy, you will be able to impress yourself and improve your skills at the same time. Adding your own personal touch to your dress can make you feel loved. I love this idea because you can make it so quickly and you can use all of your favorite colors. From flowers to hearts and even trees, get inspired to add knitting techniques to your embroidery projects with these patterns and tips. Knitted embroidery 3D flower gives your clothes new life. I post weekly videos right here on my YouTube channel. Please share this tutorial with your friends. I would love to hear your comments. Please leave them below. Subscribe to HandiWorks and press the bell icon to get notification for new videos.